January 25th, 2014. Just got done clearing up the last of the snowstorm we had last night. The mighty cub handled her well. It was a tough one, but she did it. Even had to push the snow across the road. At the end it was too deep. While I was plowing, I noticed the snow is up to the picnic table seats on the level. I don't think that's drifted right there. It's just how deep it is. Chickens are faring all right. Hardy bunches of animals there. Those, I forget what brand we've got. Huh. The red ones. Gotta go up on the roof in a little while and brush the chimney out. That's how deep the snow drifted against the house last night. Didn't shovel that there. That's just the drift. Steps used to be over there.